Alright, number 5 says, a car is traveling west at 50 kilometers per hour. So you want to start first by writing that. The car this will be equal to dx over dt. This will be x, and this will be your car. Then car B is traveling 60 kilometers per hour north. Let me redraw this. So they're gonna intersect right there. You can label this y, and this will be equal to alright, so this is the rate at which x is traveling. You see x, and this is the rate at which y is traveling. Per time. If you notice, it's going to be over dt because that's kilometers per hour. Alright. It says, and both cars are headed towards the intersection of two roads. So you see how they intersect right there. It's kind of messy, but yeah. At what rate are the cars approaching each other? So you want to find at what rate will they hit this. So you need to find what x equals to, right? And what y equals to. So car A, if you remember, it's right here. Car A. The problem says car A is 0.3 kilometers. So x will equal to 0.3. And then y will equal to 0.4. You always want to write everything down so it's organized. This means it's the point 3 represents the distance from the intersection. So this is 0.3 kilometers and this is 0.4 kilometers. So you want to find at which rate the car approaches each other. So what you want to do is you have to find a way to connect these 2 points because that's how far apart that they are. So you'll make a right triangle. And you can make this side equals to D, which represents the distance. So how do you find D? You do the Pythagorean theorem, which is x squared plus y squared equals to d squared. And then you plug in x, 0.3 plus y, 0.4 equals to d. Take the square root of that. And if you remember your Pythagorean triples, it's 3, 4, and so this has to be 5. So 3, 4, 5. So D will equal to 0.5. Okay, and now that you have this, you can write down D right here. D equals to 0.5. You're missing, if you look, each one has each of these, like, it matches. So you have an X, a Y, a Y. And in this problem, you'll be looking for a D. And since you have a right triangle, you want to use the Pythagorean theorem to solve this. And you want to begin by taking the derivative. 2x dy dx plus 2y dy dx, dt, my bad. And then whatever you do this side, you have to do this one. So you'll have 2d dd dt. Alright, and then you can look at this and substitute in what you have.